tired of doing family and friends events for free, trying to grow your draping business? Maybe that was me. But guess what? It does not have to be so frustrating anymore. I want you to just stop it altogether because you're doing it all wrong. Keep watching this video to learn how to still do your free events for friends and family, but in a way that still helps your business. Hey tribe, welcome to another episode of Raising the Bar, which is the #1 event draping podcast on the internet. And as always, I'm your fabulous host, Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen. And I'm bringing you the ins and outs of the event draping world. Now guys, here at the Posh Academy, we only believe in dropping gems. So in every episode, we discuss the secrets, the challenges, and the untold stories of event draping. So let's drape it up and dive in. Now last week, guys, we discussed landing your first event draping client. So if you're just getting started and wondering how to find clients and make some money, go ahead and check out that video. All right, guys, so let's start with strategy #1, which is business essentials and how to build your inventory. Now, let's face it, no one really likes doing the family and friends events for free. If you do, then you is in the party all by yourself, because this is one of the common things that a lot of people in the industry complain about, right? But you still can be able to do it in a way where it benefits your business, and that is by having them buy the inventory. You want to stay away from things that are super themed out though, right? If it's something they haven't, let's just say maybe a Chanel theme or something, and you got to make customized things, that I really wouldn't really entertain, because the likelihood of you using that again is really slim. But if it's something where we're just dealing with the pink fabric or the black fabric or the sequin, things like that, that's stuff you're going to use over and over again. So I would entertain doing it, because now I'm building my inventory. And for people that's just getting in, a lot of times they don't have the money to buy these expensive fabrics and expensive equipment right off the back, right? So think of the things that you need in your business. And even if it's something, let's just say they're having an event and you already have those things, I would think of the stuff that I don't have and I would have them buy that stuff. And that's how we would barter and work together, right? Like, they want the event, they can't design it like I can. However, this is things I'm lacking in my business, and I really could utilize your help growing my business, and I will design your event. So definitely think of the things that you would need for the event. Have them purchase that inventory. And if it's things that you already have in your inventory, have them purchase things that you can use in your business. It could be some totally other colors, right? It could be for an event that you got coming up. It don't really matter. The point is, this is what you need. And since they ain't paying you, this is how you can really reap the benefits of being able to provide that service for that family or that family member or the friend. And now we're at strategy #2, guys, because there is another one, and that is capture the magic. You can really build your portfolio. Now, professional photos, guys, they elevate everything, right? High quality images is what sells your vision. So you could have the event, like you're doing an event, you're not getting compensated for it. However, I would request that they hire a professional photographer to grab those photos, right? Now, I get it. You may want to take pictures with your phone, but at the end of the day, if you're really looking to level up, stunning photos is the thing that sells the ticket. This is really going to showcase all the design aesthetics that you have going on, right? You'll be able to use them on social media. You could use them on your website. You could put it on printed portfolios, whatever it is that you have. But the main thing is that's something that's really going to benefit you. And if they're not paying you, this could be your small requirement. Main thing is you got to speak up for yourself. It's your business, right? People are going to ask you they human. They're going to ask you, can you do this? Can you do that? Can I get this? Can I get that? And you got to put yourself in position and realize what it is that you need for your business to grow. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not in the business to be stagnant. I'm not in the business to just keep giving. I'm in the business to grow. And these are the things I need to grow. So write down, make your list. And while you're at it, guys, tell me in the comments what's some things that you feel like you need right now to get your business to the next level. For some of you guys, it could be equipment For some of you guys, it could be fabric. Some of you guys, it could be marketing. It could be anything. I want to know so I can get a feel of what you guys got going on. I might got something to offer you. You never know. So there are two great ways that you can leverage your skills and still, work with family and friends for free, but still have it benefit your business. However, I would highly suggest, one, if you want to be taken as a professional, you act accordingly, right? Even though it's family and friends, I get it, but I would still treat that situation as if it was a paying client. For one, you get in practice, baby. You don't want to get things wrong. So definitely have a contract. You're going to have a contract with a client, right? I would have them go through the same exact process. And if you want to, you can disclose the information that, you can let them know that you want your business to grow. Some family were like, you gonna make me sign a contract? I'm like, yes, this is how we operate over here. Because I'm just gonna tell you why I recommend that. I didn't do that in the beginning. I really didn't do that in the beginning. And it cost me dearly. So I would have, and it wasn't just one time, baby. It happened a couple times. So I would have one family and friends either help me at events. And even still, I learned to even treat that situation still in a professional manner and have them come on and sign agreements, right? And like they are employee. Because for one, I had an event that I was actually doing an event for a family member, and I provided everything. And a lot of my stuff got messed up. And including those expensive, the thrones that people still, they cost a lot of money back then, right? So I had one that got damaged, and it was kind of like a, oh, well, kind of thing. And I'm like, wow, that hurt, but that was costly for me. And it was a costly, me not really handling that situation in a professional manner, just like, oh, all right. So that's why it's important, guys, because not necessarily them being like not caring, but they didn't really understand the value of what the damages really cost me. But I was still stuck with having to repair or replace what was needed, right? Not to mention, there was other instances where I would probably have family members going along to assist with an event, and things got damaged, things got broken, pipe and drape fell. So you don't really want to put yourself in these situations where it's a liability, right? So main thing is, I don't care if you're doing something for free, you're leveraging your skills, whatever it is, be professional, protect yourself. You know how they say CYA. Have some kind of written contract, some kind of agreement, whatever it is, to make sure that if something does happen, you're protected, right? So the main thing here, guys, is be clear about expectations. Communication is key. When working with family and friends, no matter who you're working with, you clearly want to communicate your goals and any kind of limitations, right? And then also be receptive to feedback, right? Because that's going to really ensure a positive experience for everyone. There's nothing worse than you doing something, you think you're doing it out the kindness of your heart, to find out that one, it was not appreciated or not liked or whatever the case may be. So definitely have those open communications, and when things are over, get that feedback, because this is really going to strengthen you as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, so you'll know how to move forward with the next go round. So by starting off this way, guys, you're bossing up the right way, and you're treating people that you're not just running a hobby. And I need you to do that and stand on business. As always, guys, I want to thank you for tuning in, and keep hustling and raising that bar. I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, signing off.